Hello, first grade. We are going to review the words that we learned yesterday. Let's start with the word open. How do we say open to spell it? Good, we say open. And which O do we use in our first syllable? Good, we use A-O-U, and it's saying its name because it's in an open syllable. Good. All right, write the word open and mark it. And then, so pause the video, write open, and then you can go ahead and check and see if you got it right. This is what your open should look like. Okay, so if it looks like this, good job. If not, go ahead and pause it and make sure it looks like this does. All right, the next word is the antonym of open. It is close. Please close the door. Now, which O do we use in close? Good, we use A-O-U, but what's gonna let our A-O-U say O in close? Good, silent final E, job 1. So write that and pause the video, and then you can come back and check. All right, this is what your close should look like. If it doesn't, make it look like mine. All right, these two words, are these synonyms or antonyms? Good, they're antonyms. All right, the next word is close. I am sitting close to the whiteboard, close. Now, which O do we use in close? Good, we use A-O-U, and what's gonna let it say O? Right, silent final E, job 1. So write close and say the sounds while you write them. All right, this is what your close should look like. If it looks like mine, good job. If not, make it look like mine. Now these two words we have here, close and close, are they spelled the same? They are spelled the same. Do they mean the same thing? No, these mean different things. And do they sound the same? No, they don't sound the same. So close and close are what we call homographs. That means they're spelled the same, but they don't sound the same and they do not mean the same thing. So these guys are homographs. All right, our next word is door. But door is a two-way word. How do we say door to spell it? I know, I think it's funny too. We say doer, doer. And which oo do we use in doer? Good, oo. All right, so write doer, mark it, then you can unpause the video and check and see if you're right. All right, this is what your doer should look like. So if it does not look like mine, make it look like mine before we move on. Okay, our next word is party. What's the word? Good. And which E do we use in party? Good, we use ya, I-E. So write party. After you finish, you can unpause the video and check your work. All right, this is what your party should look like. Now, party is our base word. For our next two words, we're going to be adding vowel suffixes to party. Whenever we add a vowel suffix that does not start with I to a word that ends with a Y, what do we do with that Y? Good, we change it into an I. All right, so our next word we're going to write is partied. Partied. So our base word party, but we're gonna change the Y into what? Good, an I, and then we're going to add our edit. All right, go ahead and write partied and mark it. Pause the video, and then when you're done, you can check your work. All right, this is what your partied should look like. Remember, we traded our Y for an I, and then we added our edit past tense ending. So make sure your partied looks like this. All right, our next word is parties. Parties. So once again, we're going to trade that Y for an I, and the vowel suffix we're going to add is a silent E and then S. So one more time, party, but we trade our Y for an I, and then our vowel suffix is a silent E and S. Okay, so go ahead and write parties and mark it. Okay, this is what our parties should look like. I hope we remembered to put that silent E in there and double underline it. All right, and so with party and partied and parties, we were practicing our Y exchange rule, where when we're adding a vowel suffix to a word that ends with Y, we're gonna go ahead and change that Y into an I. All right, nice work, boys and girls. See you next time. Parties.
Sometimes it doesn't stop.